Welcome to Patty's Kitchen. I am showing you some oven-baked chicken wings and drumettes. Oh, they are delicious. This is what's on my menu for today. I didn't show you how I prepared them, but let me just tell you. I soaked my chicken in vinegar, a little lime juice, for a little while, and I rinsed it real well, and I put all of my seasonings on it. And you may use the seasonings that you would like, but I used parsley flakes, onion powder, garlic powder, some Dash products, and what else? And I used a bouillon cube, and I used the chicken broth base. It is a powder, and I added water to that, and I beat the bouillon cube up with that, and I poured that in the pan with my chicken. And you can see the parsley on top. It is delicious. I don't cook with salt, but a lot of times the other seasonings that I use will already have some salt in them. So, and I put pepper on it and just put it in the oven and let it bake on one side for about 45 minutes to an hour. Well, about an hour. And then I turned the meat over and let it bake for another 35 minutes. And this is the finished product. Now you can do this too. It's very simple. I don't have a real recipe for it, but I've told you how I did it. Oftentimes I will cut up green pepper, red pepper, yellow pepper, green onions, and some other dry season, some other herbs, parsley. So, but today I did this real quick because I had to run out, and it is still good. It is so delicious. So you all try it too, and please subscribe, like, and share my channel, my YouTube channel, and let your friends and family see how to prepare simple, inexpensive dishes. Okay, I'll talk to you soon. This is Patty from Patty's Southern Kitchen. Goodbye.